Well, there might happen a situation for you that all of this level all of those levels might look congested like this, as I don't have any enough space to understand which level is what. So the simple thing that let's try to understand is, let's try to change the size of the bubble and level. So first we need to understand the name of the level. For that, get into edit type and understand that is M level head, that is a circle. So let's get into file, open, and we want to get into the metric library annotation, and right in here we need to pick up the level, that level head, and that is, yeah, this one, M level head circle. So we can continue open that file, and simple, you want to select all these things, and you can get into edit type and try to change the size of here, so they can be like maybe 1.5 millimeter, can do well. Now we can load this into your project and write the existing values and get into the elevation. You can kind of read this, but still you can feel that there's some sort of overlap right here, so you can do that again. Okay, control select, you can change the size, maybe 1.5 can be changed right into 0.5. Load into project, and alright, that looks so great. So that's a simple way to change the size of the level head right in Revit architecture, and thanks for watching.